So if you're writing your personal statement like this, like almost everyone does, you are doing it wrong. And I'm going to walk you through how you should do it correctly. So everyone, they just regurgitate essentially what's on their resume. They just write their stats and basically write a why law score, like why they want to go into law in their personal statement, which all that's great, it's going to get the job done, but it's not going to set you apart from all the other applicants that are applying, because everyone else is going to have those great LSAT scores or great GPA applying to those T14 schools, right? So you have to show how you are unique. So I had a student and I asked him, well, what makes you unique? What are your hobbies? What makes you different, right? And he responded by saying, well, I love stand-up comedy, but he's like, there's no way I could write an essay on that. And I was like, wrong. You absolutely can. And I was like, because think about it, right? All those qualities in stand-up comedy are pretty much also the same as being a lawyer, right? Like for stand-up comedy, you need to stand up in front of a crowd, right? Well, you need to do that up on the stand. For comedy, you need to have improv and think on your quick feet, right? Based off of what the information they give you or the crowd gives you, you need to think on your feet and come up with things to rebuttal, right? So like notice like there's so many qualities and the list goes on, right? But those are just a few of them. But there's so many qualities that comedy and law go hand in hand. So we actually wrote this such like creative essay of how his hobbies and how his interests, these are just like innate skills that he's naturally good at, and all of these skills are then going to come on over into his field of work. And we wrote this awesome essay that actually got him accepted to multiple of the T14 schools, and I am convinced that of course he had great LSAT score, he had great statistics, but I'm convinced that this helped him get accepted as well.